I feel physically, mentally, and emotionally better than I have felt probably in the last 16 years. 16 years ago is when I started to put on the weight when I became pregnant with my daughter, and I put on this pregnancy weight and it stayed. And then I became pregnant again with my son and added a little more weight. And every time that I would diet, I would lose. I'd get to probably like a 3 or 4 month period, and then I would fall off the wagon, so to speak, and I would gain every bit of it back, plus a few pounds, 5 pounds, 10 pounds, getting up to the weight that I was when I had my surgery. And it's very depressing. It is very depressing to look at yourself in the mirror and know what you weigh and work so hard and get 30 or 40 pounds off, and within a month to 2 months, you've gotten those pounds right back on.